What's up guys, it's Survival Gamer again. This video we're playing Huggy Wuggy Poppy Playtime, but not the real game, Friday Night Funkin', where you press the keys. And let's get into the video. Make sure if you like it, please hit that like button. And if you ever seen a blue creature, or if your favorite color is blue, hit the like button. Make it turn blue, make it turn poppy, and let's get into the video. So look, why is my screen black? So you see that Huggy Wuggy here? So I have to press the keys, and then I have to beat him in a rap battle. Dun 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 dun. It's my turn. So I'm the person on the right. Let's do it. Huggy Wuggy. Buddy, wap wap wap. Yap yap yap. Buddy, yap yap yap. Yap yap yap. Buddy, yap yap yap. Buddy, yap yap yap. Buddy, yap yap. Buddy, yap yap yap. Ready, I'm done this part. Ready. Yep.
Tốt rồi hả?
Yep. Cái tiếng à, 石头你滚出来头。There, we're almost done Poppy Playtime. Cái mỗi lần lục tiếng你是你的骨头啊。
我也没准你录点了嘛。
哦，原谅你。